Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games on your Casio calculator. Many Casio scientific calculators, while not designed for gaming, possess programming capabilities. You can leverage these functions to create and play simple, engaging games directly on the device. This approach allows you to transform your calculator into a basic gaming platform, offering a unique way to interact with its features beyond standard calculations. To begin, you will need to access your calculator's program mode. First, press the Mode button, then navigate to and select the PRGM or Program option. Next, choose an empty program slot, typically labeled with a number, to start a new program. Finally, assign a short, descriptive name to your game using the calculator's alphanumeric input, then press EXE to confirm. Creating a simple game involves using fundamental programming commands. For instance, input allows players to enter numbers, while disp shows messages or results on the screen. For games like a number guesser, the ran hash function generates random numbers, typically between 0 and 1, which you can scale. Crucially, if-then statements control game flow, checking conditions and directing the program based on player actions or game state. Once your game is programmed, it is time to play. First, exit the program editing environment and return to the main program list. Locate your game by its assigned name and select it. Press the EXE button to initiate the program. Your calculator will then guide you through the game with on-screen prompts, allowing you to enjoy the interactive experience you have created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.